Hey everyone, we are back at the shack, and today we're going to go down and we're going to pull 8 items. We sold 8 items either together. I think Megan has 1 item that she sold on her account.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
And we are going to go to the basement. We don't have anything upstairs to pull. We do have our auction pickups today, so we're going to be here for a while. We've sold like $450 worth of stuff on our local auction group, so that's pretty cool. That helps us have a good day in sales. But I've been out buying stuff. I've got a ton of stuff over here that I've got to get sorted. But first, we got to go to the basement, Francine. Why don't you lead the way? Hulk smash! Yeah. Sure that makes me. She's probably not too happy about that. Kicking stuff all over the place. We have people that leave boxes, not books. I wish they left us a bunch of books, but they leave.
You hate books.
I mean, to resell. I don't want them to like read or nothing. Who reads? This is 2025, not
I read.
1722 or some crap. They didn't even read, reading was only cool from like the time they invented the printing press to like 100 years ago. Little House on the Prairie. But anyways, she's got to get all of her stuff turned on. And what do you guys think about the tariff situation going on? You think it's going to help or hurt reselling? I think it could be possibly a bad thing, or it could be a good thing. There could be a lot of goods that come into the country, and like they're talking about all this stuff sitting in these ports because people do not want to pay the tariffs on stuff coming into the country from, like, say, China at 100 and something %. I don't know. It's kind of scary. I think our sales have been kind of hurt by the tariffs. I think that people are kind of worried about the stock market and stuff like that. Though it did shoot back up, gained everything that it lost. Who knows? We live in very turbulent economic times. I'm not saying that Jesus is coming back, but I think he's getting ready to come back. That's just my opinion personally. I think things are getting crazy out there. Weather, all that stuff it talks about in the Bible. But have you got that pulled up yet, Francine?
I do.
What do you got? What are you looking at?
Well, I was looking at both.
Oh, you looking at your shoes? Cutie doll. Where's the Cutie doll?
It says B10.
B10. Isn't that a vitamin?
Yeah.
Vitamin B10. I think that's the one that they want me to take. I keep telling my doctor, I said, I'm not worried about living a long time. I'm just here for a good time. She don't think it's as funny as I do. But I do not really, I don't expect, I expect World War III to break out in my lifetime, and we're all going to probably be dead anyway. So, yeah, who wants to live forever? There we go. We got that cute little Cutie doll there. How much did it sell for?
$38 plus shipping.
$38 plus shipping. So, yeah, so that's I don't have a retirement plan because I expect everything to come to an end sooner than later.
I need a CD.
Do we need more than one CD, or do we just need that one?
I think it's just that one.
Okay, well, while you're getting that CD, I'm going to attempt to try to get this Cincy thing over here. Let's get this Cincy thing over. Oh, I don't know how this is going to work. We're going to try to fish it out here. Oh, look at that. It's almost like I've did this for 20-something years. Uh-oh. Well, that didn't work. There we go. We've got, I think this is the one that we needed here. Let's see here. New in box 3D Folk Bird. This is the 3D Folk Bird. It sold for $7. Wasn't that great of a deal. I will never buy Cincy stuff. Here we go. I will never buy Cincy stuff again to resell. It just doesn't sell too good. It just doesn't. It doesn't do what I look at me making messes. It just doesn't do as well as I was hoping that it would do. Okay, I think she found it here. It is Keith Emerson and Greg Lake. Never heard of them. Is that Emerson, Lake, and Palmer? Maybe? I don't know. Or is that even a real band? I don't know. I think I'm making stuff up. I think I'm getting stuff confused.
Sure.
How much did it sell for?
$12 plus shipping.
$12 plus shipping. Took her a while to find it. CDs. Like James Hefferstate dude from St. Louis. I don't know how in the world he finds his stuff. He's got like, 60,000 CDs listed. And here it is right here, right up front. Whoa! Whoa! We found it. Anybody know who that guy is? Let me know down below in the comment section. That's Joey Lawrence. You have to let me know in the comment section. Ain't he a hunk? There you go. How much did he sell for?
24 plus shipping.
24 bucks, man. I wish I would have had saved all those 16 magazines that I used to get back in the day. She doesn't even, she has no comments. She's focused today. Laser focused.
Well, we got pickup starting soon.
I know, but you can still have fun with the people. You don't have to be all, moo. You have to be all mopey. You got time. You got plenty of time. She went and bought a bunch of stuff today. She bought a ton of stuff at the thrift store. And she got like 2 big bags of shoes. And there we go. We sold this. Prisoner Marie. I don't know. It's just some stupid movie. It's a VHS tape. It sold for how much?
15 looks like free shipping.
15 free shipping. But anyway, so she bought 2 full bags. They had a shoe sale at the thrift store today, and she got a whole bag of shoes. And she's killing it up there at the frickin' booth. Making all that money. Look at them pretty blue eyes.
Shut up.
Woo! Pretty blue eyes. Okay, what's the next item?
Books. State Historical Society of Missouri.
Okay, you get them, and I'll get the VCR
You
DVD.
could get the last thingy over
No,
here.
I'm getting the VCR DVD player. I'm right here. I'm literally right here. Don't be. She's over there mouthing me. She's over there. I just listed this yesterday, and I find that the secret to selling these quickly is to make sure that you include the cables with them. And I always put 2 blank VCR tapes with it. 2. See, that's a great looking unit. 2 VCR tapes sealed, 2 blank VCR tapes sealed, and the RCA cables. That way, when they get it, they're ready to go to town. They're ready to go to work, ready to watch some tapes or make some home movies or whatever. Sold these 2 books here. They are from the state of Missouri. How much did they sell for?
24 plus shipping.
24 plus shipping. How much did the DVD player sell for?
50 plus shipping.
50 plus shipping, and I paid $5 for that. Actually paid $5 for 2 VCRs. One was a VCR, one was a DVD VCR combo. The VCR, there's certain ones that I just know never are going to work. They never work. And this was one that was a mono VCR. It was the ones that never work are the old heavy ones, the original ones, like anything from like 90 when they were like from like 90 and back. Like I never find any of those that work. They just always, I buy them, I take a chance, but they always end up in the trash because they won't take the tapes. They eat the tapes. This is because they're getting old. The rubber bands in them are old. What you got there, Francine? Finally, we're done with them.
I think. Wait, no. It says loop band kit. That's not it.
That's not it.
Looks like the same box.
Yeah, it's
Loop
not.
band kit.
I don't know. I think it's
Oh, is
that
it
smaller
it's the little
box.
The tiny boxes.
Yeah.
Same colors.
Okay, but they're a little bit smaller. They're the same thing, right?
No, there's heavy and ultra heavy.
Oh boy. Which one does that say?
Well, I don't know. It says light, medium, and heavy.
You'll have to go look.
I don't know.
Maybe they were was it like where you could choose which one you wanted?
No, it says light, medium, and heavy on the box.
Well, which one did they
It literally says light, medium, and heavy on the box.
Oh, so we're going to have to message them and tell them that we don't have that. Tell them that we have heavy and ultra heavy.
I wonder if it's somewhere else.
I don't know. I doubt it. I'm going to tell you. I absolutely doubt that it's somewhere else because all that stuff is right over there. So it was our mistake. We'll just have to contact them and tell them, I'm telling you, Francine, she's looking like it's going to magically appear. Like if she stares hard enough over there, that she's going to be like, there it is, I found it. Because sometimes she does. But this time I don't think so. But anyways, how much did it sell for? How much are we going to lose out on?
$14.59 free shipping.
Okay, so I don't really even give a shit because it ain't worth that much anyways. Pardon my French, but I just don't. We're going to get out of it. We're going to tell them that we have one of these two. Would you like it? And they're going to say no. So we're going to say, would you like one of these two? Or would you like us to cancel? And when they say, no, I think I'll just cancel, then we're out of it. So there you go. I'll take them upstairs, though, and list them. That was my mistake. I probably bought them, and when I listed them, I didn't pay close enough attention. I made a mistake, and I screwed up. Anyways, so what else? You got a pair of shoes to show us?
Yeah, I forgot about those.
Yeah, she forgot about them. So she's going to go get her shoes, and I'll take care of that later, and we will go find her shoes. We'll be right back.
It's only got one.
I don't know. She's still worried about them bands.
We'll have to see if they're listed.
I don't know. She's still worried about them bands. Still worried about it. Okay, she got a set of, what are they, OnClouds?
OnClouds, yeah.
And how much did they sell for?
They sold for $18 plus shipping.
That's pretty good.
But they don't have the original. I put no insoles, but they do have like
Yeah.
other insoles.
So they have other insoles that
Yeah.
like they probably wore them and wore the insoles out and somebody replaced them. Or maybe they replaced them when they were new because some people don't like the original insoles. It would be weird because that's what those shoes are known for. So,
Yeah.
I don't know. How much did they sell for again?
18 plus shipping.
Okay, guys, they sold for 18 plus shipping. Megan's got to get all this stuff packaged up, and I'm going to go upstairs and tell people that we are open for pickup. So, we'll see you later.